Bro's watching me. You're such a fan. Ew. Okay, so I've been seeing this jewelry holder organizer thing around Pinterest. I got some jewelry too, mainly crazy cool looking earrings. And I did make this little thing out of like air dry clay, and these horns are for the rings, and there's holes punctured all around it for the earrings itself, and this holds like the earring holders or like necklace extenders. But this doesn't hold my larger earrings. I thought I'd make a larger one to hold everything. But if you guys like this, I might do like a tutorial on how to make this. So like let me know. I'm gonna use gray, this dark gray, because I would do this green, but I'm using both of my skeins for my temperature blanket and I don't want to run out of it again. So we're gonna do this dark gray. And for the hook, I'm gonna be using 5.5 millimeter hook. And I'm not sure how long I'm gonna make it. I think I'll crochet 35 on a chain. Double crochet or triple? Triple will go a lot faster. We'll see how it looks. So crochet 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I finished doing the double crochets. I did 13 rows of double crochet. I didn't do triple, but on the bottom I did do triple crochets, but like a mesh. And now I just have a chain and I'm gonna like just tie it to the corners to make like a little hangy thing. I'll show you guys what it looks like and whenever it's all done. I finished it, my earring holder. And what is this? Well, you guys can either use a wooden dowel. I actually used part of a hanger. I just cut it a little bit longer so it doesn't fall off. And now it doesn't fold in. Look how cute that is, guys. So this is what the crochet piece looks like up on the wall. I really like it a lot. I have my hangy earrings right here. The hoops on the side, they can just like clip onto the side so it's easier for them to stay on. On the bottom, this can be used for necklaces or anything else. It has like a hook, like sunglasses. I don't know if I already said that, but... And yes, it is the 23rd of December, which means we gotta clean up this room a little bit. So let's go ahead and try and make it look like we got our life together. Let's do some laundry. So if you're watching, go ahead and grab your little laundry and do some laundry with me, because why the heck not? Gotta do our chores, right? Who else like hates laundry? That's me. Like, I can do dishes, but not laundry. Should probably try to figure out the outfit I'm gonna wear on Christmas Day and Christmas Eve. I'm gonna be wearing my buffalo check pants, but I want to wear a black shirt to go with it. I don't know if I want to do like a band shirt. My sister's in the room right now.
Hello.
She's been sleeping all day.
Yep.
Oh, I took a what's your personal aesthetic quiz today, and apparently I'm goth. I don't know if you saw my story or not, but
You told me.
my brain don't work. I don't remember who I tell things to.
Hello guys. Hello guys. This is ASMR. These are all my presents.
Nothing like a cold.
And where are all yours, Julie? Show them all your presents.
You're not staying? No.
Y'all, Vlogmas is almost over. I'm sad, but also like really happy because now I don't have to like film a crap ton of stuff, and it's been a challenge, but I can't believe I'm finally almost done editing right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Be sure to follow me on these socials, especially Snapchat. I'm always on there posting on my story. Like a lot's kind of a problem. I live on Snapchat. Question of the day. Do you have any Christmas traditions that you don't think other people do? And if you do, comment them down below. And if you think other people do them, still comment down below. I want to know your Christmas traditions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!